Souk was acquired by Amazon few years back, maybe 4 or 5 years back.
Right.
And you said you exited then. This means you are doing this entrepreneurship for quite a time now. I thought GIS Drones was. So let's talk about what happened to, what was the e-commerce thing that you started and how did you exit it?
Okay. I always value my time, and instead of wasting my time hanging out with friends or spending my time playing games or whatever my friends was doing, I always saying that after your corporate job you have to focus on your vision to be an entrepreneur one day and to be your own boss. So I was utilizing my after working hours in something beneficial. The e-commerce, I started it in 2009. In that time there were no e-commerce platforms very famous like in the time being. So I started doing blogs about selling some of the products which I love. Like I started with watches. I love. I'm a watch collector. So I was collecting watches, and I said to myself, why not to start selling them? And it worked. So I kept improving and increasing the size of the business, and then the e-commerce platforms started to be available for the public. I did the first website. After that, I went to PrestaShop e-commerce, and then Magento. I was developing it by myself because I'm, as I told you, I'm a computer engineer. So it was a solo work until I realized to that moment, no, I have to commercialize that hobby or that immature selling into a professional licensed work. That was between the period of 2011 to 2015. I was in Abu Dhabi back then. So the company was doing very good. I was sourcing products all over the world, and I was selling them here in the UAE. I was also sourcing the big e-commerce platforms by that time, like Soccer.com, Wadi.com, Souk.com, and Amazon later. So I was behind the Marca VIP. I was sourcing these flash sale campaigns based on the products that I'm bringing from outside the world.
Sourcing. So basically, you were, what I meant. I'm not good at the terminology. So you were selling on these websites.
Yeah, I was providing the products to the famous e-commerce platforms so that they sell to the public. So I was behind the scenes, the source of the product to them.